This is the way you're going to complete the assignment post to your blog. Click on My Class, and then remember to always click the tab up here that says Classwork, and then find the one that says Post to Blog. It should be at the very top of your stream under Classwork. Click on it. Then to get the turn-in page, remember you have to go down to the bottom of that assignment and click View Assignment. And so here's your assignment. So today you're going to learn all about blogs, and then you're going to learn how to go to your blog, log into your blog, create a new post, put in the content for that post, publish that post, sign out of your blog, and then you're going to learn how to screen capture that blog post page to turn into me in Google Classroom. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go up here next to your tabs and click plus and add a new tab. And then type in that field the address to your blog. You're going to find that address written on your headphone card, and notice it does not have an @ symbol in it because this is not your email address. This is your username period, WONECKS period net. That is the address to your place on the web. Once you click enter, you're going to see your blog here. Now you can read everything on your blog, but you can't post anything or make changes until you hit login. Okay, you're going to have to click the login button in order to log in. You're going to find that information under the bolded word blog on your headphone card next to the word username. So type in your username. There is not an @ wostudent.net address here. It's just your username for your blog. And then type in your password, which is different than your email address. So make sure you're putting in the right thing in order for you to log into your blog. Once you're logged in, you're going to see up here in the top bar these tools to edit. So you're going to click on the word plus new, and then right below it post. You're creating a new post. Right here where it says add title, you're going to title your post, and I want you to title this one My First Post. Because this is a title, every major word plus the first word needs to be capitalized, so make sure the M and the P are capitalized. And then be sure that this visual tab right here is clicked, and click inside the blog post field. And now you can, in this field, you could type in a sentence, you could add in a picture, but today we're just going to type in a sentence. My favorite thing about school is, and then I want you to finish that sentence for me. Whatever your favorite thing about school is. Now, because this is a sentence, it should start with a capital letter and it should end with punctuation. I ended with a period. Then see this blue publish button over here? No one else is going to see this on your blog until you click publish and publish it. Then normally you would just go up here to the word howdy and your name and click log out to log out. But before you leave this page, I want you to screen capture it for me. You're going to turn that into me in Google Classroom so that I have evidence that you've completed this assignment. So to screen capture a whole page, the entire screen on your MacBook, you're going to hold down the Command key and the Shift key at the same time. Hold those both down, then tap the number 3 on your keyboard. That will take a picture of your screen and it gets posted to your desktop. So once you've taken a picture of the screen, go up here and log out of your blog by clicking the word log out. This is how you can see that you've logged out of your blog. You're back at the login page. So close that tab, and then to turn this assignment in, you simply go over here where it says your work and click plus add or create. We're going to add a file. So click the word file, and the file is that picture we took of our screen. So go over here to the word upload. We've got to upload it into Google Drive. I can grab the bar up here of my window and scoot it over. I can find that screen capture on my screen, drag it and drop it in there. It takes a few seconds for it to load in, but once it's loaded in, you're going to see this turn in button. Then you simply click turn in, turn in. And then, as always, do not forget to go up here to your little circle with your initial and click on it to sign out. Then you may have free time on your computer. Before you leave your computer, though, make sure you grab that screen capture and you drag it down here and drop it down here in the trash can.